noises he made when we set him on fire?
Come on! I don't think so!
Captain Flint again, asking if anyone's seen my claptrap unit. Little bastard escaped a few months back. I've had to use Ethan as my backup torture dog.
Who needs a medical license when you got style? I'll get you.
Got a proposition for you two. You and Clappy be our personal torture buddies for life, and we won't kill you. Think it over.
Did I get someone my shoe? Never should have come here! No, not you! Not dead yet! I'm coming!
Second foot, my new minion's a bona fide badass.
much as anyone else. I made sure of that. Remember, we're all in.
Come on out, Flint! Your trap unit has returned!
It's our new torture dolls, boys! Let's turn up the heat!
Oh, sphincters! I'm so sorry, Captain Flintstone! Please, don't burn me again!
Meet my lady friend! Take this! Make it rain! And the crowd goes wild!
Warrior this glacier has ever seen, pal! Alright, now we've just gotta get to my ship. There she is! Me mighty vessel! Lower her into the water, you salty dog! And now, let us set sail!
Wasn't so hard.
We're near Sanctuary, buddy. You go on ahead. Tell the locals what we'll require for my welcome back party. I'll stay in here and give them time to get what we need. Number 1, ladies. Obvious. Number 2, dudes, but hideous ones. We're talking morbidly obese. We're talking body odor. We're talking acne scars. The ladies will take one look at these uggos and bam! Eyes start looking pretty good. Suddenly it's not, ew, get away from me, you pervy little robot, you're creeping me out. Why are you crying? I didn't even know robots could cry. Look, if I give you a hug, will you stop crying? Alright, but that stray is, oh my god! What is this, motor oil? It'll be more like, Claptrap, rescue me from these uggos and hump my leg, which I will. Number 3, we'll need booze, in case that other stuff doesn't work. Number 4, streamers. Number 5, are you writing all this down? Minion, are you in? Are you even here? Still? Lonely.
Sanctuary's off limits. You bloodshots can stay in your hole.
I see you! Need out!
Awesome. What have you boys run about your king?
Oh, right! Let's turn around and head back to our... Die!
Pandora is a violent and dangerous place. Sanctuary is slightly less so.
Not
Making it
that
hard to
for you,
reach
huh?
the city gate. get to the catcher ride.
On the one hand...
This machine will digitally construct... Damn it. Oh, sorry. Darn it. A man named Scooter controls these catch-a-ride machines. He may be short a few chromosomes, but he's a savant when it comes to vehicles. He's locked the station to prevent the bandits from using it, but I'm reading an inactive Hyperion bot in the Bloodshot camp. If you can attach its interface adapter to the catch-a-ride, I can hack the machine and get your car. Just attach the adapter onto the catch-a-ride, and I'll get you a free car.
You're missing the fun!
Executing phase shift.
Rescinding lockdown.
Wait a moment while I hack the catch-a-ride.
Authorized user accepted. Enjoy the ride, and there's a pimento taco in the glove box.
Cool. Try requesting another car.
Ha! Thanks for using Scooter's catch a ride, bitch!
Real charmer, that one. You should now be able to Great. Now head to Sanctuary and find Roland. He'll want to meet the Vault Hunter who stared down handsome Jack and lived.
Sometimes you're so unburdened with things like intelligence, culture, morality, honor, ambition, good looks. I could go on, but I won't. But I could. Ah, dignity! I almost forgot to mention dignity! Easy, butt stallion. Easy.
Don't throw my head! I've got a hole full of meat! I'm not screaming! Wanna meet my girlfriend?
Never getting into Sanctuary with bludgeons. Gaglings. Hold up. Hold on. Just a sec. Roland wanted to talk to you. Let me echo in. Oh. So you're the one I've been hearing all this radio chatter about. Name's Roland. I used to be a Vault Hunter like you. Until I formed the Crimson Raiders. We'll catch up when I get back to Sanctuary. For now, I need your help. My men tell me Corporal Reese hasn't returned the power core that we need to keep the city's shields. Bring Reese back to Sanctuary, and you'll have earned your place in the Raiders.
Roland's contacted you? Good. Listen to what he says. He can help us defeat Jack.
Don't get killed!